Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by stopping heavy use and preparing to diagnose your corrupted SSD. Always back up important data to another drive before attempting repairs. Next, check Smart attributes with a tool like SmartTool to view reallocated sector counts. Run a surface scan to identify unreadable blocks and error patterns. Create a full disk image with DRescue if you can, because repairs can worsen data loss. Use CHKDSK or FSCK only after imaging the corrupted SSD and confirming the backup integrity. Begin repairs by creating a disk image with DRescue and storing it on a separate 1 TB drive. Next, install and run the SSD manufacturer toolbox to update firmware and run built-in diagnostics. If firmware update passes, attempt file system repairs using chkdsk/f on Windows or fscky on Linux. Avoid low-level formatting until data is secured, because that can erase recoverable files. If commands fail, consider cloning the drive and using professional recovery tools on the clone only. Determine replacement needs by reviewing Smart reallocated sector counts and wear leveling statistics. If Smart shows many reallocated sectors or physical failure, plan to replace the SSD promptly. If DRescue cannot image critical corrupted sectors, consider professional data recovery services for important files. After successful recovery, securely erase the SSD and perform a full reformat before reuse. Finally, enable regular backups and monitor Smart monthly to prevent future corruption and reduce the chance of
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.